welcome to our channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today's video is all about Mars Cosmetics. This brand is coming up with a lot of great products, so I thought to give it a try. Also, there's an offer going on their website. So if you purchase products worth rupees 1100, you get this eyeshadow palette for free. And I created this look right here with this eyeshadow palette. और हम आज काफ़ी सारे मार्स कॉस्मेटिक्स के प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ करने वाले हैं एंड आई विल गिव यू द फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशंस एंड माय थॉट्स ऑन द प्रोडक्ट्स. सो लेट्स डू दिस. मार्स के अलावा जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स मैं यूज़ करूँगी वो आई विल अप्लाई ऑफ कैमरा, बट आई विल लेट यू नो ईच प्रोडक्ट एंड ईच स्टेप. ओके, सो फर्स्ट अप आई अप्लाइड दिस ला शील्ड सनस्क्रीन जेल. उसके बाद मैंने लिया ये नाइका प्रेप मी अ प्राइमर. Then I used this Cuffs and Lashes pot in the shade Peach Corrector. Then I used my foundation from My Glam. And now I'm gonna use this Wonder Blender from Mars Cosmetics. This is so loved product by all the YouTubers. और अभी तक मैंने blending brushes से किया क्योंकि मैंने कोई liquid product use नहीं किया है. I usually use my makeup brushes to blend cream products. तो इस blender का size अभी इतना है. And now I'm gonna wet this. Also, I'm gonna apply this Mars Seal the Deal Concealer in the shade Yellow. क्योंकि इनके complexion products मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहे थे. Shade range काफ़ी कम है और सब light shades हैं. So I went for yellow one. और कभी yellow concealer try भी नहीं किया था, तो I wanted to try this one. अंडर आइज पर मैंने कुछ अप्लाई नहीं किया है, ना फाउंडेशन ना वो पीच करेक्टर, नथिंग. आई एम गोना यूज दिस येलो कंसीलर. द पैकेजिंग इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक LA Girl Pro कंसीलर. इट्स अ येलो कंसीलर एंड येलो हम यूज करते हैं टू ब्राइटन अप. सो आई एम गोना अप्लाई दिस अंडर माय आईज. द फॉर्मूला इज वेरी ड्राइंग. ये अपने आप ही सेट हो जाता है. तो पहले हम जल्दी से इसे सेट कर लेते हैं इस आई पर. एंड बाय द वे, नाउ यू कैन सी द साइज. इट्स क्वाइट बिग ना. ओके, कैन यू सी द डिफरेंस? एंड दिस इज सो बाउंसी. एंड आई लव द फैक्ट दैट इट एब्जॉर्ब्स लेस प्रोडक्ट. अब मैं जल्दी से अपनी दूसरी आई हाईलाइट कर देती हूँ. ऑल्सो अ लिटिल अराउंड माई माउथ. Loved it. Okay, let's just use this sponge on all over my face. It blends pretty well. I'm happy with my base and I'm gonna set this with Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. Don't know what's wrong with me today. I think I should use this sponge to set my base also, na? That's a good idea. Let's do this. Okay, that's my powder. Let's see how it works. Wet sponge in loose powder. It's a wonder blender. It's cloudy again. So I'm only setting my T-zone and my under eye area. क्योंकि eyelids पर तो हम eyeshadow apply करेंगे ना. All right. Done. Our base is all set and done. Now let's move to the eyebrow. So I have this Mars, what's the name of this product? Eyebrow Kit. It has 2 colors highlighter, 1 color eyebrow, 1 color cream eyebrow and 1 color eyebrow pencil. That's a lot. There's a brush too. I like these cute little brushes, especially the sponge ones. बहुत काम आते हैं ये. तो आज हम क्या यूज करें? आईब्रो पेंसिल और पाउडर और क्रीम? बताओ बताओ. I think I should use this cute little brush and this black shade. Black and brown mix करके use करते हैं ना. This is so pigmented. I think I should use brown only. So first I'm gonna comb my eyebrow hair downwards with this spoolie. Then I'm gonna use this cute little brush and the brown shade to fill in my brow. The brown shade is too light for me. I think I should shift to the black one. This is so pigmented, you guys. मैंने सिर्फ एक ही बार ये ब्रश डिप किया था in the color and my eyebrow is almost done. See? I haven't used any eyebrow powder till now. This is the first time and bro, this is pigmented. I have used eyebrow pencils only till now and this one is becoming my another favorite from Mars. जब भी आपको लगे कि आपने कुछ ज़्यादा eyebrow product apply कर लिया है, just run your spoolie in your eyebrow. It will blend everything. Eyebrows done. Now let's move to my favorite part, eyeshadows. And I have purchased 3 of their eyeshadows. I'm obsessed with colored eyeshadows, guys. I can't tell you. Oh no, I've purchased only 2 of them. एक तो free में मिला है ना. Let me show you the free one first. This is Mars Cosmetics Spreading Colors in Your Life. It has 39 high payoff matte and shimmer eyeshadows. And it's written Coquettish here. I don't know if it's the name of this eyeshadow palette, but this is the outer packaging. We have 39 colorful eyeshadows with a mirror. Just look at this beauty. I'm already in love with this. Then we have this Mars Fantasy 15 eyeshadow palette in the shade 3. And also I have this Mars I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow. This is in the shade Lit It Up. It also has mirror and these gorgeous shades. I'm gonna use these 2 eyeshadows in the upcoming videos. और आज के वीडियो में हम जो look create करेंगे, that will be from this free eyeshadow. So let's do a colorful eyeshadow look today. Our festivals are so bright and colorful and I love playing with colors on my eyes too. I want to know which one are you? Do you like nudish neutral shades on your eyes or these colors? Okay, so I'm gonna start with this light pink shade on my fluffy brush. Let's take a little amount first and then we can build it up every time. I'm applying this shade in windshield wiper motion. That's a technical term. You can also call this C shape or moon shape or just in the shape of your eyelid. Some little circular motions to blend this out. तो ये हो गया हमारा transition shade. Now I'm gonna move to a smaller blending brush and I'm gonna pick this beautiful orange shade right here. It has a bit of shimmer particles. Whoa. ओके तो इसे मैं अप्लाई करूंगी इन माय क्रीज लाइन, जहां मैंने फर्स्ट शेड अप्लाई किया था ना, जस्ट उसके साथ ही ऑलमोस्ट लाइक दिस। बट इसे मैं क्रीज से ऊपर नहीं ले जाऊंगी। कैन यू सी द डेप्थ इन माय क्रीज इन दिस वन? That's how we do it. I'm blending this again with the first brush we have used. Just very light pressure. Now I'm gonna use this blue shade. Now I'm gonna use this blue shade on my lid. I don't know why this shade is not coming up with the brush. So I'm gonna use my little pinky finger and apply this on my lids. The shade is so pretty, gorgeous. So far, so good. Let me swatch this blue shade for you. There is no fallout at all. Let me just blend this with the previous shade, जिससे हमने orange shade लिया था ना. Just blending these two colors together. Blending is the key in any eyeshadow look. I want to use more shades. I think I should go for this champagne gold or this golden shimmer on top of this. I'm taking this shade with my finger only and just pressing it in the middle. Wow. It's looking like halo eyes, no? My god, there's still this shade in my finger. Okay, अब मैं इसे blend कर लेती हूँ from the top and to the sides. I like it. Now let's move to the lower lash line. For that, I'm gonna use the same pink shade. And blending it further with the same orange shade we picked earlier. I'm also gonna apply the champagne shimmer on my lower lash line, just in the middle part, to balance out the look. The shimmers are not coming up with the brush properly, so I'm gonna wet my brush. And then we are using this golden color for inner corner highlight. Now you see it. Eyeshadow is done और अब हम use करेंगे the Mars Smooth Easy Draw Liquid Eyeliner Pen which comes in this packaging. और इसमें we have the sponge pen, very easy to use eyeliner pen, and the other side we have this star, the stamping star. Wow. So I'm gonna use the eyeliner side today, of course, and draw a thin line, just this much. Okay, so the next thing I have is this Mars Velour Highlighter. The Mars Velour highlighters are soft and bouncy like mousse. They apply and blend out like a dream, giving you the perfect glow. I'm in the shade 01 for you. This is a very beautiful iridescent highlighter. That's why I bought it. It's a very unique shade and it's written on the packaging how to use. Dab a small amount on your fingertips and blend out on the high points of your cheeks and face. They also look amazing on the collarbone and can be used as eyeshadows as well. Alright, इसको swatch करके देखते हैं. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know if you can see the pink and purple shifts in this. This is so beautiful. इस लुक के साथ नहीं जाएगा ना, लेकिन काफी अच्छे से ये blend हो रहा है and it's so good. Okay, for contouring I'm going to use this eyebrow kit और इसमें से मैं ये brown shade लेती हूँ. Whisking my whole look. Just tap tap tap. Now it's looking good. फिर से प्रोडक्ट नहीं लेना भैया, नहीं खूब है. इससे तो डबल चिन बिल्कुल गायब ही हो जाएगा. Just a little on my nose. I'm hardly touching my skin. Next thing I have is this Won't Smudge Won't Budge lip crayon in the shade Smile Please 09 और इसको मैं as a blush use करूँगी. We need to blend it very quickly क्योंकि ये smudge proof lip crayon है और अगर ये एक बार set हो गया हमारे cheek bones पर, that will not look so good. One more time with the blender. To highlight my brow bone, I'm using this shade. I just want to use maximum shade from this eyeshadow to give you proper idea how this performs. Also on the bridge of my nose, a little bit on the tip, on the chin and Cupid's bow. I have one more lipstick that's non-transfer butter stick from Mars. That's number 20, Dine Out. The shade looks like, wow, this is so pigmented, yaar. Everything is so pigmented. Is it going with the look? Or we have another lip shade, no? Smile Please. But Smile Please, I have shown you, I've used it, no? Let's use the butter stick. Both the lip products are buttery soft. A lipstick has the power to change your whole look just in a jiffy. Now I'm going to quickly pop on one of the falsies from this and get back to you. So this is the final look. You have seen me using and loving all of these products, but just one thing about this eyeshadow palette. It smells, it has fragrance, and it's a very strange fragrance I can't even explain. Other than that, the shades are so pigmented, everything is so pretty. I love using Mars Cosmetics and creating this look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Till the next time, this is Nikki signing off.